this. Okay, just continue. This sign in done.
Okay.
Then you need to add this plus, add here washer. While using app, scan this QR. And this phone button is there. This show you this AP mode.
Okay.
This Wi-Fi on, Bluetooth on. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both should be on. Continue. First step, second step, third step. Third step, it will ask for internet.
Yes.
Wi-Fi router it is there, you can connect through that. Router not there, hotspot on.
No password.
No password. Okay. Motorola G35. In this phone, if hotspot on, Wi-Fi getting off. Hotspot on, Wi-Fi is getting off.
Yeah.
Both should be on for to connect.
Wi-Fi
So,
or
so what you can do, Wi-Fi keep on.
okay.
Go here. This device won't work. So we have to connect through different. Different phone, hotspot on. Search. MALLIRGUN 1 2 3. Put that Wi-Fi password.
Yes. On the mobile.
This will take another 1 minute to connect. If error comes, from first again. Sometime error comes because that Wi-Fi was off. Done. This later. Done. So everything you can see in this. If you want to operate from here, on this smart control button.
Yeah, phone.
If you want, everything you can do here. Different cycle. Done. Start. Cancel. Extra cycles will be there. Spin only. Here spin only not there. Start. Okay?
Okay.
Done.